So these are the best codes that you can use in Slap Tower. In this video, I'll teach you how to find them and also what rewards they give so that we know how to win in this game. So, in order to find these codes, you can actually use this method in a lot of the other games where they use code systems. So what I did is I searched the name of the game and then I typed in codes at the end. As you can see, there will be a few websites that'll give us the codes, the list of codes, and basically what rewards they give. I'm gonna tap on this very first link, and as you can see when we scroll down, this is where these codes are supposed to be. But as you can see, there are no active Slap Tower codes as of this moment because a code redemption system has not been added to the game yet. So there are no codes in the game yet, but I did still teach you a good method in order to find these codes and use them in the game. So unfortunately, right now there are no codes in the game because the developers haven't added them yet. But if there are any, you should go ahead and use this method and then you will see what the codes are and the rewards. You could use this in a game like Arsenal, where you could just search for Arsenal codes and it's going to give you the codes for that game and then just redeem it and now you have those rewards. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Once again, there are no codes, but I'm glad that I have taught you how to find these codes. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.